Okay, here we have it. A Gear4. Basically, as you can see, this is the iPhone 4 on the docking station, but basically you get this little like plastic thing, and it basically turns it, and basically you can put your 5th generation onto it, which is quite good. So I have 5th generation iPod, as you know. So basically, this is the box, which looks pretty nice. And now I'm going to try and open it somehow. We have some sticky things here. So I'll just carefully take these off. Yeah. And here we have it. Very nice cosmetic. I love unpacking things. Ooh, it comes with a carrier. And this is like a little carrier thing. Free your tunes. And this is it. Oh my god, it comes with a remote. Mum, did yours come with a remote?
No.
Haha. I think you got me the special one. This is the charge adapter. You can plug it in if you'd like to see this. Yeah, basically you can plug it in with that, or come back over here. What's this? Oh, this is like if you're in America, I think. Yeah, these are just things for like Americans. Goddamn Americans. That's Australia. That's New Zealand. So we got the remote. It's quite a nice little remote, and I'll open this to show you. It's small, I think. But also, what you can put in this is batteries, which is quite cool. Take that out. Don't know if there's batteries in it, which is why I'm just gonna have a little look. Little sneak peek. Okay, I can't. Ow, that really hurt. I don't know if there's batteries in it or not, guys. It's quite cool. And now we have it. Here it is. It's quite a nice, sleek design. Basically, what's this? Basically, you can have batteries in it, and that'd be the on-off button, or you can just plug it in. There. That's headphones. I don't know why I'd use it for headphones, because you could just use your iPod for that anyway. That's what I thought it is. I think that's a lot. Anyway, that's actually really cool. So basically, if you look at this, basically it comes down and then pokes back up, and then you'd bring that down, and then basically your iPod would sit casually on there. No. Okay. That's quite cool. There's one thing I'm not quite sure. So there is like in here, if you look, there is volume buttons. And by the way, for the adapter thing, I will do a separate video. What I don't get is how does it stand up? Basically, this is the way you put the batteries, which is quite cool. Put it back up. And somehow it does stand up. I'm not quite sure how, but it does. Oh, there we go. Oh, right. Okay, so you plug it and it comes all the way out the back, and there you go. Can toggle now.